and from here I would head to Alibag by a bus. And after that, I'll probably go to Nagaon and I'm going to take a 6-seater car. So let's go. So guys, finally I have reached Mandwa and now we are going to head to Alibag. So let's move. Right now I'm waiting for the bus and the queue is really very long. So guys, I'm with my friends. This is Angel Group. So everyone say hi. Hi. You can see the queue is so long. We have to wait for so long. I hope we get into the bus soon. Guys, finally I have reached the bungalow and I'm going to show you each and every corner of this bungalow. So come along. So you can see my friends are just riding on the swing. They are so happy. So moving inside, we have a room which is basically a hall room. It's all empty because only guests can come here and stay over here for 1 or 2 days. And here we have another room. So yes, this room is quite small, but it has a mirror, and obviously we have messed this place a lot. You can see how we have messed it up. So guys, we are going to recollect it afterwards as we are tired now, as of now. So we are going to make it up afterwards. So yeah, let's move to next room, which is on the upstairs. So basically it's not a room, it's a kind of balcony cum terrace. You can see how they have arranged the chairs for us to have a kind of dinner, and the area around our bungalow looks something like this. And yes, it's lunch time, so we had. Guys, right now we are moving towards Badami Beach, which is 1 kilometer away from this place. So we are going to go there and chill out. So I have my friends already with me, as I have mentioned you earlier, my angel group. So I'm going to spend time with them, chill out a bit, because as I work in TCS, I don't get much of the time to spend with them, and I feel this is the perfect time to spend with them. So yes, I'm quite excited. Let's move. So finally I have reached the Badami beach, and it's quite full of sunlight, and the sunlight is coming all over my face. It's quite hard to talk as well, but I'm quite excited to come up here. And yes, let's go inside the beach. Let's go inside. So guys, yesterday I didn't vlog anything on the beach, but this time I'm going to vlog it out there because I was like enjoying with my friends. That's why I was not able to vlog there. So today I'm going to post all the clips on my Instagram account. You guys can check it out. And yes guys, it's the first time I have ever tried getting into the sea water. I'm so much scared of water. I never went out there. This is the first time I went there. So yes, you guys must check it out, and I'm going to film each and every stuff which I have did in the beach, and you can check it out on my Instagram stories. And also this vlog is all about it.
So yes, I'll take you guys there. This is the day 2. I'm still here and I'm going to explore the same today as well for you guys. So come along.
So my friends are walking right there. I can't catch them out now. I'll be catching up them later. Right now I'll give you the tour of the beach. So this how the beach looks like. Overall it's quite soothing. I'm enjoying this feeling. This is really fun. So it's time to end up this vlog. It was an amazing experience coming into this beach, enjoying with my friends. The experience was lit, and I'm so happy taking you guys there here. And have a good time. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.